is still original. This is the elevator at Kohl's in Taylor, Michigan. Indicator is still dead. Here too. Let's go to 1. Door closes, works. Good cab view. Still beat up, but it's a nice elevator for a Kohl's. 2,000 pound capacity. Here 1. Scroll up to 2. There 2. Phone. 1. Door closes actually works. Can't believe this thing is still original. I honestly expected this thing to be modernized, but I guess not. We'll take this for another round trip, because why not? Yep.
Thank you.
Yep. That'll be it.